Hey, good morning, everybody. Don here again. Well, big storm came through. The weatherman puts us on this line where we were between 3 to 6 inches and 6 to 12. Tell me what you think. Right now, I would say kind of looking like about a foot and a half. 8 o'clock in the morning. Supposed to keep snowing right until 3 this afternoon. Yep, weatherman was right on again. Gotta love it. Wonder how my bushcraft shelter held up. Kind of gonna be like an igloo now. It's about 16 degrees. The good news, it's a nice light fluffy snow. Should plow fairly easy. There she goes, trudging knee deep through the snow. Headed to work. No snow days for her. I don't think she's going to make it out the driveway, to be honest with you. The Subaru is a tough little car, but that's an awful lot of snow to contend with. If I would have realized we were going to have this much snow, I'd have been up at 6 o'clock trying to get it plowed off. But once again, my mistake. I listened to the weather forecast. Here she goes. Oh my goodness, she's plowing with the rear bumper. Can you believe that? Oh my word. Unbelievable. Now, the question is, if she makes it down the hill, will she be able to get through the barrier that the plows will have made? I think she's given it second thoughts. The snow is right up to the headlights. Yeah, I think she's given it second thoughts, which is probably a pretty good idea. I don't think you're going to make it out, baby. Have you tried going forward? Oh boy. I think you should call in. It's just going to make matters worse if she gets stuck. Yep, she's stuck. Yeah. She's going to just sit right there. I'm going to get the plow out and start plowing like I probably should have done earlier. She's going to be late for work, folks. Well, time to get with it. Brought a can of diesel in the house last night because it was so cold. I wanted to put warm diesel in the tractor. Added some power additive. And over the top of my boots. Yeah, this was a bit more than we were expecting. And there's Karen's car stuck. She tried to push through here. All right, over my knees. Whew. Man, I'd say we easily have close to 2 feet. And it's supposed to snow all day. We'll be putting the old John Deere to the test. First plow of the year. All right, baby. Remind me why I love John Deere. Hit the glow plug. Yes. Another thing is there's ice underneath this snow. Well, making progress, slow but sure, but man, this is a lot of snow. They haven't even plowed the roads yet. It looked like they came through early this morning, but I just heard that one of our plow trucks hit a power pole, and the power lines came down on the truck, and the driver is stuck in the truck. Man, this is crazy. This is way more snow than we expected, that's for sure. Life in New England, gotta love it. Do now, because I'm going back uphill and I just can't push this stuff uphill, I'm just making sweeping turn to sweeping turn, trying to get it off to the side as far as I can. That way I don't have to try to push uphill. This tractor does not like to push uphill. Yeah, a lot of you are probably wondering why Karen even bothered to try to get out this morning. Well, let me tell you a little bit of something about my wife. She works for the town, and she's responsible for getting paychecks out. This little town, the people that work for the town, like many of us, they live paycheck to paycheck. So she's super conscientious about trying to get those paychecks out. Besides that, this is the week where our first responders, our volunteer fire department, our volunteer rescue squad, those people get paid once a year only for the hours when they're responding to a fire or an emergency of some sort. They don't get paid for the countless hours that they put in training and equipment maintenance and all that stuff. They get paid for when there's a disaster. They get paid once a year, and it's right before Christmas. So she just really wanted to make sure she got those checks out and ready to go. So yeah, that's the way she is. So we're getting plowed out. I think I got the driveway opened up enough where she can get out, and then I'm going to stop because this is coming down. I'll bet it's coming down 3 inches an hour, and it's supposed to snow a lot more today. So I can barely see between the windshield being frosted up and the snow coming down. So probably going to call it quits. All right. Well, it's about 11 o'clock, and it hasn't lightened up much. There's a Chevy Equinox under there somewhere. The snow is starting to collapse on itself. Has gotten to be so much. This was shoveled, and now it's knee deep again. Holy moly. We're well over 3 feet, and it's supposed to keep snowing like this until 3 o'clock this afternoon. So maybe another 4 hours. Whew. I gotta just plow again just to try to keep up with it. It's about 2 o'clock. Just to give you an idea, that fence post over there is almost 40 inches high. It's buried. We'll go over where Karen's car was stuck and take a measurement over there, because I didn't touch that with the plow. Whew. Bad part about it is I got her car out and started going down the hill. Look at this. Whew. Underneath it, just like a sheet of ice. So unless this freezes really cold tonight, which it seems like it's warmed up quite a bit, yeah, we're gonna be needing some sand and who knows what. All right. Here's an area right here where you can see how deep the snow is. Nothing coming out of the trees here, not running off the house. Let me put a measurement on it. I don't know if I'll get down through this or not. 37 inches, but I'm packing on snow on the bottom. 38, 39 inches. I gotta tell you, WMUR, that's a long ways from 3 to 6. A long ways from 6 to 12, which was the maximum. I do believe you said in Jaffrey this morning could reach 18 inches when we'd already had 2 feet here. Man, don't you wish you were a weatherman and you could be that wrong and still have a job? All right, I'm going to finish plowing. Peace.